Samantha Soul, Assistant Prosecutor on behalf of the state of Ohio.
Catherine Johnson on behalf of Gregory J.
John Paul Rion on behalf of Mr.
Okay, we also have Mr. Moore.
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning.
The discovery in this case is complex and ongoing. I don't think the full amount of discovery has been provided to defense yet, not because there's a fault to be laid on it, it just hasn't been provided yet. Because we don't have the full picture of the discovery, it's hard to present all the motions to the court that need to be filed. As you know, the criminal rule provides that 35 days after the indictment, motions should be filed unless there's exceptional circumstances. And I believe this case fits in that exceptional circumstance area. So we ask the court, and we'll file a motion, and I don't believe there's any opposition to it, to extend the filing deadline. And really, until the discovery is provided by the state, it's hard to put a firm date on when that deadline should be. Court should know that every single day, Ms. Jackson and I are working on this case, and so it is not because of any type of delay, it's only because of the sheer volume of the case that's causing the necessity for a delay in the filing case. But I think it's an exceptional case, and the statute clearly anticipates exceptional circumstances in those cases. We'll follow it up with a motion so the court can see it, but it's my understanding the state is not opposed.
Thank you. Counsel, is this information correct?
Yes, Judge. I can place on the record that the discovery in this case is voluminous. The state has turned over well over 60,000 pages of documents over the Matrix discovery system. We've given over several terabytes worth of information on external hard drives to the defense. And BCI is still working to provide me everything that they have. So I've given everything I have. There are several boxes downstairs that I still need to go through to make sure that the defense has everything. To summarize, we're aware of the discovery obligations in the state in this case. We will comply with them, we have been, and the state has no objection to the defense having everything before motions, and then having time to review everything before motions are due. So you will not see an objection from us with regard to extending deadlines for anticipated motions. I'm aware of some of the motions the defense anticipates filing. Those are motions the state expected, and so we'll work on that. Thank you.
If in the future it sounds like there are some things that you wish to have filed, certainly you can do so. If that's unopposed by the state, they can definitely notify all parties in the courts. And if there's any opposition, the state will have an opportunity to respond to that. Is there anything else you wish to address on the record?
Not at this time, Judge. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
So I know that councils have had an opportunity to look at their schedules, and with that, would a next pretrial of August 14th at noon work for everybody?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Well then, thanks everybody. We're adjourned.